Welcome to Guangzhou Eounice Machinery Co, Limited. From our bustling facility, we are a leading provider of innovative machinery solutions, delivering quality and efficiency to customers worldwide. This is where our commitment to excellence begins. Our headquarters, located in Guangzhou, China, is the heart of our operations. We are proud of our name and the reputation we've built for reliability and expertise in the machinery industry. At Eounice, we understand the importance of space and efficiency. Our advanced vertical parking systems are a testament to this, providing smart solutions for urban environments. These systems are designed for optimal space utilization and ease of use. You can see how our parking systems efficiently store multiple vehicles in a minimal footprint. This technology is just one example of our dedication to innovative and practical engineering. Our sprawling facility houses various departments, from manufacturing to assembly and quality control. We maintain a streamlined workflow to ensure every product meets our high standards. Eounice specializes in a range of machinery, including robust and reliable car lifts. Our lifts are designed for safety, durability, and ease of maintenance, serving diverse needs in the automotive industry. Whether you need a single lift for a small workshop or multiple units for a large service center, Eounice has the right solution for you. We offer a variety of models to suit different lifting capacities and space requirements. We also provide essential equipment for tire service and maintenance. Our tire changers are built for precision and efficiency, ensuring quick and accurate tire work. Back to our innovative parking solutions, you can see how vehicles are safely and securely stored within the system. Our systems are equipped with advanced safety features for peace of mind. The control panel for our parking system is user-friendly and intuitive, making operation simple and straightforward. This ease of use is a hallmark of Eounice Machinery. Inside our factory, you'll find a well-organized and efficient manufacturing environment. We utilize modern techniques and equipment to produce high-quality components. Our production process involves advanced machinery, including automated welding systems and precision cutting tools. This ensures the strength and accuracy of our products. From raw materials to finished goods, we maintain strict quality control at every step. The components of our machinery, like these lift arms, are manufactured with care and attention to detail. The quality of each part contributes to the overall reliability of our final products. From our factory floor to the global market, Guangzhou Eounice Machinery is dedicated to providing innovative and dependable machinery solutions. Contact us today to learn more about how Eounice can meet your machinery needs.